If you want to create infographics in Prezi quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to get started, choose a template, and build a professional-looking infographic without needing advanced design skills. This is a great way to save time while still creating something visually engaging for presentations, reports, social media, or marketing content. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Prezi and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a look at the left panel. This is where you'll find different content types and creation options. From there, click on the Infographics option. Selecting this will take you into Prezi's infographic creation area, where you can begin building your design with the right layout and structure. After you click Infographics, the next step is to choose Start from Template. This is the easiest way to begin because Prezi gives you a collection of ready-made designs that you can customize. Instead of starting with a blank canvas, you can select a template that already has the basic visual flow in place, which makes the process much faster and more beginner-friendly. Now, you'll see a variety of infographic templates on the screen. Take your time and browse through the available options. Prezi offers different styles depending on the type of content you want to create. So whether you need something simple, modern, colorful, or more data-focused, there should be a template that fits your goal. When you find one that looks right for your project, select it to open the editor. If you want to narrow down your choices even more, you can also use the categories on the left panel. This is especially useful when you're looking for a specific infographic style or layout. For example, you might want a template for a timeline, comparison, process overview, or informational summary. Filtering by category helps you find the most relevant design faster, so you spend less time searching and more time creating. Once you've chosen your template and a category, Prezi will open it in the editor, where you can begin customizing the infographic with your own text, visuals, and branding. From here, you can update the content to match your topic, replace placeholder elements, and make the design your own. The best part is that the template gives you a strong starting point, so you can focus on your message instead of building everything from scratch. And that's really all it takes to start creating infographics in Prezi. Just go to the dashboard, choose infographics from the left panel, click Start from Template, pick a design you like, and use the category filters if you want to narrow things down. It's a simple workflow, but it can save you a lot of time and help you create polished visuals much faster. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.